Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sophia. What's your name?
My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain. What about you?
I am from Canada. Where do you live?
I live in Madrid. And you?
I live in Toronto. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. You?
I am 22 years old. What do you do?
I work at a design company. What about you?
I am a college student. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. What about you?
I have one sister. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. What's yours?
I really like burgers. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Spanish and English. What about you?
I can speak English and a little French. What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer autumn. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Interstellar.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy painting and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Sometimes, yes.
What is your dream job?
I want to be an architect. And you?
I want to be a scientist. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to France and Germany.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax at home or meet friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like jogging in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberry. What's your favorite fruit?
I love bananas. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my friends.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art galleries.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the tulip.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers at home.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy cool, rainy weather. Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy live music.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Sometimes, not too much.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake. Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I enjoy trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater shows.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think they are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in. Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer casual clothes.
I like casual clothes too. Do you like fast food?
Sometimes.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in nature.
I love camping in the mountains. What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturday the most.
Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike on weekends.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
Do you like to visit zoos?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like to go fishing?
Not really.
It was really nice talking to you, Sophia.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Daniel.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.